Good morning, students. Last class we learnt Kailash Satyarthi's only aim in life is to ensure that every child is free to be a child, free to grow, develop, eat, sleep, see daylight, laugh, cry, play, learn, go to school, and dream. Now, next next page number 80, okay. Now see next para, okay. I have the privilege of working with many courageous people who have to same aim. We have never given up against any threat or attack, and we never will. Okay, we never given up. Who? Kailash Satyarthi and many courageous people who have the same aim, means they also want to rescue child labor. Okay, and they never given up against any threat or attack, and we never will. We have made progress in the last couple of decades. We have reduced the number of out of school children by half. See, they reduced the number of out of school children by half, and last couple of decades means a period of 10 years, and privilege means a special right or advantage. Okay, now see next, we have reduced the number of child laborers by a third. They also reduced the number of child laborers by a third. We have reduced child mortality. Mortality means the state of being subject to death. They reduce the death rate also. And malnutrition. Malnutrition means lack of proper nutrition caused by not having enough to eat. Okay, that also they reduce malnutrition, mortality, and the child laborers number also reduced, and number of out of school children they reduced. Okay, of this all they did. Okay, have prevented millions of child deaths. They also prevented millions of child deaths. But let us make no mistake, great challenges still remain. Now see here, one question, that workbook page number 103. My only aim in life is that every child is free to be a child. Pick out the subordinate clause and state its kind. Actually, my only aim in life is main clause, that every child is free to be a child. Subordinate noun clause. Why subordinate noun clause? In main clause we can see verb is. Okay, that onward subordinate noun clause. And one more question, that page number 103. Pick out a pair of antonyms from the passage. Deny, accept. Okay, deny, accept. And 103, one more question given. Add suffix IVE to two words from the passage to make their adjective forms. That page number 103 workbook. Actually, progress given progressive, and protect given protective. Okay, now see next line. Friends, the biggest challenge or biggest crisis knocking on the doors of humankind is fear and intolerance. We have utterly failed our children in imparting an education that gives the meaning and objective of life, an education that gives a sense of global citizenship among the youth. Now see, imparting means make information known. Okay, education. We have utterly failed our children in imparting an education. Utterly means completely failed our children in imparting, make information known. That means an education, and an education that gives the meaning and objective of life. An education that gives a sense of global citizenship among the youth. I am afraid that the day is not very far away when the cumulative result of this failure will culminate in an unprecedented violence, and that will be suicidal for humankind. Now listen, cumulative means actually increasing or increased quantity, and culminate means reach a point of highest development, and suicidal means destructive to one's own interest and life. Okay, these all after seeing this all, I am afraid that the day is not very far away when the cumulative result of this failure will culminate in an unprecedented violence, and that will be suicidal for humankind. Rights, security, hope can only be restored through education. Young people like Malala, I have started calling her my daughter. He started calling Malala his daughter. Okay, Malala, not just Malala. So my daughter Malala and other daughters, including Kayanath. These all he rescued girls' name. Okay, Kayanath. In fact, 2 Kayanaths and Sajia and the daughters from Africa and from all over the world. Means all over the world he rescued many child laborers. No, that's why he called daughters all that. Okay, no, they are rising up and choosing peace over violence, tolerance over extremism, and courage over fear. Actually, extremism means the holding of extreme political or religious views. Okay, that means extremism, and courage over fear. The solutions are emerging, but these solutions cannot be found in the deliberations in conferences alone, and cannot be found in prescriptions from a distance. Actually, deliberations means long and careful consideration or discussions, and prescription means recommendation of a remedy. Okay, prescription. The lie in small groups and local organizers and individuals who are comforting with the problems every day, even if they remain unacknowledged, unrecognized, and unknown to the world. The solutions are with them. Actually, unacknowledged means not recognized, and not unrecognized means also not recognized. Unknown means not recognized. To the world, the solutions are with them. Okay, now see here, workbook page number 104. Here one more question is given. The biggest challenge or crisis knocking on the doors of humankind is fear and intolerance. Actually, fear and intolerance. Rewrite using than. That page number 104. Okay, fear and intolerance are bigger than any other challenge or crisis knocking on the doors of humankind. Okay, and one more question given. The solutions are emerging. That also workbook page number 104. The solutions are emerging. Rewrite in present perfect tense. The solutions have emerged. Okay, present perfect tense. So the solutions have emerged. Thank you.